3, go.
Yo, guys, we're here.
Yup. Find the new ground again.
Yeah, and it's going pretty full. So it's XX Sniper and Jobless Eric. We landed it! Where did it even go? It's going! It's going! Yeah, guys, we're out here at our neighbor's house in the yard.
Now look, you got to have it like this. Yep.
No, Ethan, hang on. Turn it on where we're going to say. Go. You cut out on it! Is Maddie coming? Oh my God, I keep forgetting to. Yeah, so guys, we're back. I need you to hold this real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna run over real quick, so nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. He's still over there. He's not coming. He just won't answer the door. Look at this. Come on, Ethan, fly it now. I'm videoing it. You're almost to 3 minutes.
This one's to land.
And we got it. Oh, he's stuck in the forest. Aiden, pretend that's a drone full of people. Yeah, just look at that sky. Where's the stupid video recorder? Yeah, so guys, I'm back. Yeah, so this is our drone. Today we're going to finish this off. Next episode, if they let us, well, basically, no. If we can buy it, we'll probably buy ourselves something, a subscriber thing. So yeah, guys, send it out. Send me one of the drones that has cameras on it. So like I can tie the phone to the drone and we can fly it around so y'all can get a first person view. Okay, subscribe for the team. XX Sniper Jobless Eric. Over and